we've had so much talk about hormones, the different hormones, the aging, the natural process, what goes on behind menopause, how does menopause come about, the average age of menopause here in Australia. We don't have the statistics for us Pacific Islanders and those around the world because of the fact that we don't have enough awareness and we haven't done enough studies to get our baseline statistics. So, with that being said, because of the natural process, at the point at which Lisa was talking about, the main hormone that is responsible for most, or if not all, of the menopausal symptoms is estrogen. And estrogen is one of the main hormones that's produced by the ovaries. Unfortunately, as I've said before in the opening part of my slide, as the egg level goes down to almost zero, what happens is there's hardly any more estrogen left. And so with that, the mainstay of treatment is usually either medical, non-medical, or you could offer all of these lifestyle management options. And I believe strongly that there is a big role in a combined form of approach towards treatment of menopause, and it cannot be medical only, because some of the treatments that we offer where we replace estrogen comes with its own risk, and I'll talk about that in the next slide or two. But some of the things that we do offer is lifestyle changes, regular exercise, getting yourself into a diet where it is going to benefit you from replacing those natural estrogens. We call that phytoestrogens. And there's a separate talk on that altogether, which is quite extensive. There's a big list of natural products or natural food that has some degree of phytoestrogen that can be helpful. Some women do use it and they find relief in their symptoms. There's still not enough evidence that that should be the first line treatment, but if it plays a role in relieving symptoms, I strongly believe that it is a role in also part of the combined care package towards women who have all of these symptoms. The other treatment option that we also offer are menopausal hormonal therapy. In the past, we used to call it HRT or hormonal replacement therapy, but they have now changed terminology to MHT. In my mind, it makes no difference whatsoever, but the same rule applies. What we are trying to do is to replace your estrogen level to what it was premenopausal. So these treatment can come in many different forms, can come in patches, can come in tablets, it can come in gels, it can come in pessaries, and there's so many different types that's out there in the market. But before you are starting one, it's very important that you need to seek medical help and get it prescribed by a doctor who will discuss with you the pros and cons of taking MHT or HRT before you actually start it. And then we also have the option of complementary therapies.